The Great Emu War in 1932. Australia declared war, not against another nation, but against birds. Thousands of emus had invaded farmland in Western Australia, destroying crops and leaving farmers desperate. The government sent soldiers, armed with machine guns. They expected an easy victory. But the emus had other plans. They scattered into small groups, outrunning vehicles, dodging bullets. For weeks, the military fired thousands of rounds. Yet the emus survived and multiplied. In the end, the soldiers withdrew. The emus had won. It became known as the only war in history lost to birds. What does that say about human pride